Hello everyone, you're welcome to our weekly Forex forecast for the week of June the 22nd to the 26th. I'm super excited to bring this video to you. Our analysis for last week, for this week, was quite profitable. It went to a direction as I gave for the week. So good moves in the pound dollar pair, expecting a bearish weekly price action, and that we saw that. We saw the same thing for gold and for the Euro USD pair. For some of the other pairs, what we saw was the retracement. We didn't have enough momentum to continue in our direction. But on the whole, price action is key to understanding how the market moves, and we paid attention to price action, and we got quite good profits at the end of the week. I want to say that this video I'm making now is for educational purposes only, and as such, you need sound financial advice to trade in the forex market. And with that said, let's go to the business of the day. I'm looking at the pound dollar pair right now, and for this pair, my forecast for so far was a bearish week, and that we saw after the retracement upwards this way. We saw price crashing down towards our uh, target, although we are not quite at the target. So what I'm expecting is a retracement into this broken support that will turn into our resistance at the 1.2380 area, and for us to continue lower. Our next level of support is at the 1.2165 area. And that's where I'm expecting price action to take us to for this week. We could see a break and close below that area, but basically because price moves in waves, I expect price to react around this area for a small bullish spike. But basically, my direction for this week is a move towards the 1.2165 area. The next I'm looking at is the pound Canadian dollar pair. For this pair, let's look at the weekly. We saw for about 4 weeks now, we had um, dojis telling us market was undecided. And this week we had this strong bearish candle here that seemed to have engulfed price action for the past 4 weeks. So what do we expect? Expecting more bearish moves in this market. So I'm expecting a retracement, a little retracement, say about 50% of the weekly range for this week, and a continuation to the downside. And our next level of support is at the 1.6640 area. So basically, wait for a retracement, a pullback up to the 1.6880 area. Spot your reversal candles around here and continue lower. Then next I'm looking at is gold. Gold, we saw quite wonderful price action. For this week, I had said expecting a move. First of all, is sell into the 1715 area. If we get a break and close below that, I'll be selling to the 1697 area. We didn't get a break and close, but we were quite close to the 1697 area. And what a joy! We had quite a spray of peeps in the market. And what we saw was price action gave us doji and resumed upward. I also said if we had a break and close above the 1746 area, we'll be heading up as high as the 1801 area. But for now, we didn't get that break and close above it. So what I'm expecting price action to do this week is to have a 50% retracement of Friday's candle. We could see prices coming to as low as 1734 area, I'll be looking forward to price getting to that 1734 area. We could go as low as 1730 area, something like a 50% retracement of that candle, and look forward to going higher. Uh, a break and close above that will take. I'll be looking forward to price getting to the 1761 area. That's this area, 1761. First of all, uh, get there. If we break and close above there, then we'll be, without any shadow of a doubt, heading to the 1800 handle. The next I'm looking at is the dollar yen pair. And for this week, all we saw and got, I was expecting prices to get to as low as the 104 handle, but we're not quite there yet. We only saw the retracement into broken support, just on to resistance for us, and we seem to have come a bit lower, but not as low as our target. So basically, with what we have here, I'll still expect a retracement higher to the 107.25 area. Uh, well, any retracement will fine, but we're looking forward to a retracement into broken uh, support. That's the 107.302530 area. With spotty reversal candles around there, we will continue lower towards the 105 or 106 handle. Gradually, we'll be getting down to the 104 area. The next I'm looking at is the dollar Canadian dollar pair. And for this pair, we saw price spike down. I was expecting to get to 1.3285 area. It didn't quite get there. We saw prices come close. We saw it, um, we call it the dragonfly doji, and indicative of bullish price action, and which we got after that candle. Now, what am I expecting for this week? I'll be expecting price to go up as much as the 1.40 handle. But of course, price will go up in waves. We have, first of all, we have to clear the 1.3715 resistance here. And as we continue higher, because if you check the price action, we had a retracement back into resistance here at 1.3540 area, and we didn't break and close below it. So we saw prices react at that area and continuing upwards. So basically, we're looking forward to getting to 1.3715 area. Break and close above that will take us further up into the 1.3970 area, very close to the 1.40 area. So those are the two key areas we were looking forward to taking our profits. And I'm looking forward to more bullishness in the pound Canadian dollar pair this week. The last I'm looking at for this week is the euro dollar pair. And for this pair, what I have here, I was looking forward to getting seeing price get to the first take profit was at 1.1150 area. We're quite close to that area right now. And my second area of taking profits is at the 1.0990 area. We're not there yet. But with what we've seen so far, price action will be quite bearish this week. So I expect more bearishness. We've seen a close below the midpoint of the Bollinger Band. So what do we expect this week will be a pullback into the 1.1210 area and a continuation lower. First of all, our first level of support that we need to take out is the 1.1150 area, after which we're looking for to take it, same price get to 1.0990 area. All right, that will be that for this week. um if this video is beneficial to you, I would like you to click the like button. If you're new to this video, also you can subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I bring videos on a weekly basis. And you could leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching this from, and also let me know if you want me to look at some other pairs that I don't look at right now. I don't like the video to be that long, so look at such pairs, and I'll be looking at that. I'll get across to you, and I'll also look at that in my subsequent videos. All right. With that said, that will be that for now, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.